It finally came in the mail, the Apple credit card. Looks pretty amazing, doesn't it? No, it doesn't, because this is just the box it was shipped in. Before I started to use it though, I wanted to unbox it for you so you can see what you have to look forward to if you get this Apple credit card. My name is Jarrad, and on this channel we like to talk about all things personal finance and investing and credit cards, because that's personal finance. It of course comes in this very boring box, but I don't think it's gonna be so boring once we get inside, because Apple's known for their packaging. So let's see what they've sent to us. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That was amazing. Good job, Apple. That was the best experience ever. Ooh, I see the white. Oh, look at that. Looks pretty freaking neat. They've got that nice laser etched Apple symbol. Oh, it's very beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy I got this. This packaging just gets me all hot and bothered. All right, Apple, let's see what you've got. Oh my gosh, that was an amazing experience. Did you feel that too? Did you feel that come through the camera? Look at those colors, those pastels. They're just amazing. I've never seen pastel-y colors like I've seen right here. And just the way that that credit card fits in this flap is just perfectly centered and symmetrical, and it's beautiful. Ugh, A+ to Apple for this presentation. I'm sweating a little bit here. Whew, this is amazing. Best day ever. So let's go ahead and take it out and see what we've got here. But before I take it out, let's read what the words say, because we need to get the full Apple experience. Apple says, activate your card, open wallet app, and follow instructions. Oh, they've worded that so perfectly. I love you, Apple, but I'll do that later. Right now, we just want to see what this card looks like. If I can get this thing out. Oh, I can barely get it out. Apple, this is a horrible experience. F for ability to try to get this Apple credit card out of the flap. This is not cool, Apple. I thought you were better than that. Let's try again. Ooh, there we go. Okay, it's kind of stuck, but oh my, the titanium Apple credit card, laser etched with that Apple symbol, along with actually your name isn't laser etched, but your name's on there, it's printed on there somehow. And it's got this beautiful chip so that you can just slide it into the credit card reader, as opposed to that old way where you would have to swipe it. Who swipes credit cards nowadays anyways? Oh my goodness. And then on the other side, you have laser etched Goldman Sachs. What? And then laser etched Mastercard. Oh, and then this beautiful strip if you want to swipe your card. If your retailer doesn't have their security system swipe abilities up to date and you've got to swipe your card, they've got it right there for you. Oh, that's so beautiful. But I would say this card, I'm gonna give a C. I'm gonna give it a C. And the reason I say I'm gonna give this card a C is because, yes, they have the laser etched Apple symbol. Yes, they have the laser etched Goldman Sachs. Yes, they have the laser etched Mastercard. And you might be saying to yourself, well, that's amazing. How can you not be happy about that? Well, you know what? The most important thing, your name is not laser etched, and I don't appreciate that. So Apple, step your game up a little bit. I'm a little disappointed in you right now. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, the drop of the card. Silence! That was a ridiculously amazing experience. Experience on the drop of the Apple credit card, the titanium Apple credit card. I give it an A freaking plus. Apple, you've really outdone yourself, I'll tell you what. This Apple credit card presentation, amazing. The only thing I don't like is the ability to get it out of this little card thing you've got here. Not that cool. Okay, make it easier to get out. Might have heightened my experience a little bit better. And then also laser etch my freaking name. If I'm gonna spend a bunch of money with you, I want my name laser etched, okay? The one question that I do have, honest question, is how this is gonna hold up, how this paint is gonna hold up. I'm actually very curious, because I've seen some things online to where it's saying that you have to put it in like a velvet satchel so that the paint doesn't scrape off, I guess. But I don't know. I guess we'll see. I'm gonna test it out and I'll let you know how it goes. Now it's time to give this credit card a try. Can it stand the test of the average American swiping up and swiping down and jamming in and jamming out of those credit card things, terminals? I guess we're gonna find out. Stay tuned, because I'm gonna test this sucker out for 2 to 4 weeks. Wait for it. Right off the rip, I'm having some problems here. I'm following the directions. Activate your card. Open wallet app and follow instructions. Okay, guess what? I'm gonna open the wallet app. This is what happens. Press it. Open the wallet app. And then there's no instructions. What the heck? I see. Okay, so apparently to activate my card, I have to open the wallet app and follow the instructions. So let's go ahead and open that wallet app. And then it looks like your card has arrived. Activate your card. So, activate your card. Hold this iPhone near the packaging that came with the card, which I'm assuming is right there. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, your card is ready to be activated. Let's go ahead and tap activate your card. Your card is ready. Wow, that was really easy actually. I'm very impressed, Apple. Good job. Don't forget to Hulk smash that thumbs up button and let me know your comments on this Apple credit card. What do you think? You gonna get it? Do you have it? Have you tried it? Do you like it? Do you not? Leave those comments down below. I'd love to see your beautiful name along with some beautiful words right next to that name as well. And I will reply with some maybe very ugly words, but maybe some pretty words right back at you. Oh, I had to take that jacket off, my hat off, because I am sweating. Can you see the pit stains? You can a little bit, can't you? I know you can, but that's okay. Thank you so much, Apple, for this experience. I know you guys are all about experience, and this one took the cake. It really took the cake, and you made my evening.